Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Wallet not showing add card option on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, firstly you will have to go to the settings app on your iPhone. On the next screen, swipe down and tap General. Now swipe down and tap Language and Region. Select region under the Language and Region. Now pick your country from the list. Tap Change to country name to confirm. Now wait for a few seconds. After doing this, go back to Wallet app and check that add card option is showing or not on your iPhone screen. You can see add card option is here. Tap on it. Now tap credit or debit card, then tap continue at the bottom. Now you will see enter card detail manually. Tap on it. Now enter the name and card number and then tap next. Then enter the requested information. That's it. So guys, like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my iPhone Sport YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.